The Shalorack series is a line interactive, uninterruptible power supply designed for reliable power protection. It includes a USB communications cable, user manual, and warranty registration card. Available in a versatile 2U rack or tower format, it features automatic restart after outages and user-replaceable hot swappable internal batteries. The battery access door is conveniently located on the side with batteries positioned behind the front display for easy serviceability. It also features an interactive LCD screen for on-site management with rack gears pre-installed for easy deployment. This unit comes with 120 VAC input voltage for seamless integration into standard power environments, along with rear additional outlets for expanded connectivity.